guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to report a bug on Snapchat. So for that we have to go on our Snapchat app, and then you'll have to go on your profile, which is in the left top corner, and then from here you have to go to settings, and then from here you have to scroll down until you find the feedback option. And then from here you have to click on I spotted a bug. So if you have problems with your camera, profile, or stories, or something else, you just have to click on it. So I will click on stories and discover. Then here you have to tell them what is your problem exactly, and you can also add a screenshot, an attachment with the problem. And then after that you have to choose a topic, so click on choose topic, and from here you have to click on it. So I will click on friend stories. Like I said, you have to write something here, and then you have to click submit, but make sure that you add all the details so Snapchat will solve your problem. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.